two Fleetwood Flair. I'm going to show you these ceilings. All this trim along here, you have to figure that this whole ceiling is on a curve. So that joint right there, that's a curve meeting some kind of weird angle. This is the bedroom. All custom built cabinets, but custom built window frames, custom built ceiling fans. What are these called? Ceiling vents. They're all brand new on the outside too. This is all a stucco plastic ceiling. It's a fiberglass reinforced plastic, and that covers the whole top of everything. Brand new shower, everything, all brand new. Oh, this here, I put this up here just so people would know what I built this for. That's where you hide the toilet paper. Yeah. Over here, it's all custom built in here too. And I wired in these. They're very bright. We can get much less bright, but I'm just showing how much brighter it is with them. Oh, got the electric heater in the way. All custom built cabinets in the corner there too. And not only is the ceiling, floor, walls, everything is new and clean, but even inside of the cupboards, it's wallpapered and has the same plastic ceiling in it. It's a lot of work. Custom built window frames. This is all Honduran mahogany. Very sought after wood. Took me a few days just to build this one right here. They're on all four of these windows back here. Brand new floor, all new pergo flooring, new counters, brand new oversized sink, new sinks everywhere. It's just a brand new motorhome on the inside. 1994 Fleetwood Flair. Clean, and it smells clean. That's about it. All countertops, even the inside of the drawers are lined with the same Formica that's everywhere else.